From the Himalayas to the streets of Kathmandu, this ain't just a song. Yeah. It's a revolution. Yeah. From the Himalayas to the streets of Kathmandu. This ain't just a song. This a revolution. Young blood rising, yeah, the system got shaken. Old kings falling, see the power being taken. From the silence to the road, now the truth awaken. People said enough, now the chains getting breaking. They marched in the cold with the fire in their chest. Corruption got exposed, now the truth on test. From the ground to the throne, yeah, the youth got blessed. Put the future in their hands, no fear, no stress. Voices getting louder, you can feel it in the air. Every step forward saying we don't care about the lies, about the games they played before. Now the people want power, hear the nation roar. It's a revolution. Hear the people shout from the streets to the power. We breaking out. New Nepal rising, no fear, no doubt. If you feel this fire, put your hands up now. It's a revolution. We ain't backing down. From the hills to the city, yeah, we run this town. Voices unite. Say it loud. Say it loud. Yeah. From a voice on the mic to leading the nation. New generation bringing transformation. No system falling under investigation. People want truth, not manipulation. Headlines changing, yeah, the past getting checked. Every broken promise now demanding respect. From the pain came power, now the future connect. This is history rising, something you won't forget. This ain't just music, this the voice of the pain. Every tear, every loss, every struggle is strain. From the darkness we rise, we breaking the chain. Now the sun gon' shine after all of the rain. This a revolution, hear the people shout. From the streets to the power, we breaking out. New Nepal rising, no fear, no doubt. If you feel this fire, put your hands up now. It's a revolution, we ain't backing down. From the hills to the city, yeah, we run this town. Voices united, yeah, we standing proud. This is our moment. Say loud.